Hey, what's up guys, my Toyota Corolla 2015, I found this windshield side panel broken, and I've ordered just one side. It was broken, and after some times I found it missing when I was driving. The other side, it was totally fine, so I ordered one from Amazon. Let's see how it fits. So it comes in pair, cannot order just one, so I have a hook over here. So I have two lock over here, one out here and the other one is over here. This lock should go exactly in the holes over there, so that is my idea. So to do that one, I have to push this upward first, put it below the windshield, push it up all the way. Once we have, I just push it down to fit it inside the hole. So yeah. Oh, did you hear that sound? Tuck sound. It means that it is all good now. Yeah, so now it's good. Let me do it to the other side as well. So over here, so I take it out. It's fine. The one of the lock is already broken, so I'll just fix this one. Same as the other side, I just put it inside, push it up, then that's it. Yeah, that's it, all done.